Hello and welcome back to Everyday English Practice. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. Have you ever been in a conversation where someone asks, "So, what do you do for fun?" And suddenly you freeze, not sure how to answer in English?
Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to help you feel confident when talking about your hobbies. Whether you love cooking, painting, or playing video games, this episode will give you the words and phrases you need to express yourself clearly and naturally.
We'll start with some useful vocabulary, show you how to describe your interests, and even give you tips on asking others about their. All to help you have better conversations.
Let's start with a scenario. Imagine you're meeting someone new. They ask, "What do you do in your free time?" And you freeze. You have hobbies, maybe you love baking or hiking, but you're not sure how to say it in English.
Exactly. That's why it's important to learn how to talk about your hobbies. It helps you make friends, keep conversations going, and express who you are.
In today's episode, we'll guide you step by step. First, we'll cover basic phrases and vocabulary. Then we'll add some more advanced words and expressions. After that, we'll teach you how to ask and answer hobby questions naturally. And finally, we'll give you tips to build confidence when talking about your hobbies.
Let's start simple. Here are some verbs you can use with hobbies. Like, love, enjoy, and prefer.
You can say, "I like reading. I love painting. I enjoy hiking. I prefer swimming over running."
Want to say how often you do your hobby? Use phrases like, "I like to cook on weekends. I'm really into photography these days. I enjoy playing guitar in my free time."
And here are some common hobby words: reading, painting, hiking, cooking, gardening, dancing, traveling.
Once you're comfortable, you can go deeper. Try using verbs like collect, create, explore, learn.
For example, I like to create new recipes. I collect postcards from different countries.
Want to show passion? Try saying, "I'm passionate about photography. It's really exciting for me to travel to new places."
And don't forget adverbs. Use words like really, very, quite, and extremely to sound more natural. I'm really into yoga. I'm extremely passionate about art.
It's not just about talking about your hobbies, it's also about asking others.
Try these questions. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
And when you answer, make it interesting. I'm really into gardening. It helps me relax. I enjoy hiking because I love being in nature.
Then follow up, you can ask, "Really? What kind of books do you read? Nice. How long have you been doing that?"
This shows you're interested and keeps the conversation going.
Remember, the key is practice. Try talking about your hobbies with a friend, or even in front of a mirror.
And speak with enthusiasm. Don't worry about being perfect, just share your passion. That's what really connects people.
Before we go, tell us, what are your hobbies? Leave a comment or message us.
We'd love to hear from you. Maybe you'll even find someone who shares the same interest.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English Practice.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep doing what you love.